Good evening. Welcome to WBP Stars. My name is Paul, and I welcome you to Yamazato, the traditional Japanese restaurant of Hotel Okura, Amsterdam. Let me show you around, so please, if you can follow me. Yamazato basically consists of 120 seats. We're a very flexible restaurant in terms of offering the best possible Japanese authentic experience. We've been established in this hotel since 1972, in which since then we've been crowned with the prestigious Michelin star in the year 2002. So please, if you can follow me, and I'll show you even more. So Yamazato, we're not just about a simple table or chair, but instead we have certain elements that must be present in a fine dining, true traditional speciality of a Japanese restaurant. For example, our Japanese tatami room. This is basically a private setting in which you can find the seating done in a very traditional manner. A very full Japanese experience in which you'll find the Japanese arts really located in each area of this room. For example, the cushioning, the chair, the table, and of course, most importantly, the Japanese floor known as the tatami. So once again, I highlight that we're a very flexible restaurant in the sense that we offer different areas of the restaurant as well. One being our, the Shima area, an area which is very closed off and personal, an area which you'll find comfort, luxury, and the peacefulness of what is needed during dining. And then further along, of course, we have, as we always like to put it, the main area of the restaurant that is, of course, the highlight. You'll find different tables, different settings located throughout the restaurant, in which you also have by the window, which really highlights the experience of course, the Japanese traditional garden. And then, even more, one of the best parts of the restaurant, in my opinion, just right this way. Once more, a different quieter area of the restaurant that again is highlighted with the Japanese garden. But even on top of that, we have another seating that's also available. So not only table seating is a necessity, but also the option, if you'd like, to even have the touch of the personalized chef in front of you, providing not just sushi, but Japanese kaiseki sushi. So we have, as in total, 8 different seats that the guests can choose from, in which they'll have a head chef right in front of them to fully experience the whole kaiseki element. So with this, I hope that you all had fun in the restaurant. I hope that we were able to present you the best, and I welcome you in the future to Yamazato Traditional Kaiseki Restaurant. Thank you.